3D old dude here. I had a bit of a mishap earlier on. As you can see, I wear glasses. These are my normal pair. Anyway, I've got another pair which I was using happily, and the lenses fell out. There you go. So, us 3D printer dudes, you know, are quite industrious. So, whilst they're not the most perfect things in the world, I made myself some Joe 90 3D printed glasses. How are them bad boys? I don't think Vision Express is going to go out of business anytime soon as a result of these. But I tell you what, they've come out very nice indeed. The lenses don't fit very well. I'll just remove them actually so they don't drop out. But look at them. Look at the quality of that. That's nothing. There's nothing short of just perfect. Look at that. There could even be a fashion accessory. Absolutely brilliant. Book early. Stay safe. Rock on.